The time is now for manufacturing organizations to reimagine their future and accelerate their steps to make that vision a reality. The Factory of the Future paints a vivid picture of what manufacturing capabilities will look like and the investments required. Accenture research on digital operations maturity shows that most companies still need to move from pilot paralysis to scale. Recording the activities of operators, machines, tools, and the building creates a pool of data analyzed to increase responsiveness, performance, and quality. In addition, energy consumption is tracked to both reduce CO2 intensity per parts and the company's overall carbon footprint. Highly connected, the plant collaborates in real time with its customers and suppliers. Flows are constantly monitored, and any disruption is automatically transmitted to the relevant ecosystem players. Transition to the Factory of the Future requires significant investment, leadership awareness, governance, training and communication, IT foundations. But the benefits of digital at scale are commensurate and give ambitious companies a 1-year overall rolling return on investments. The future of manufacturing is here. Are you ready to join it?